I got a package from Billion Dollar Brows, and I thought, why not come on here and try something new, because most of the time I use the same stuff, and it is nice to try new things. Just picking up a little bit. And the first thing I'm going to do, which I find is easiest, is to start by actually brushing your eyebrow down, so then I know exactly where I want to fill in on the top. Okay, so I've already started to fill in to the arch point, okay? But you see I've still stayed in the lines of my actual eyebrow. Then I'm going to fill in from the arch down to the tail. So the arch and down to the tail. So now that I have most of it filled in, then I'm going to brush my eyebrows up again. Now I'm going to dip into a little more product, and I'm going to start doing the bottom of my eyebrow. And I'm going to follow the same steps like I did on top, but just to the bottom. And I'm really going to take my time because I want to try and not go outside the lines. So for the last step, I'm going to take a brow highlighter with a flat brush and just blend that directly under my brow in back and forth motions, and that's going to give me that nice, clean, crisp look. So that pretty much wraps up the video. I hope you guys found this helpful, and I hope to see you guys create nice, perfect brows. Thank you for watching.